Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 reciprocating saws. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, EKO New DKRS 710G20. Specifications. Brand name, DECO. Model number, DKRS 710G20. Battery included, no. No load speed, 2800 RPM. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Power source, AC. Saw type, reciprocating saw. Power source, AC. Stroke length, 28 mm. Weight, 2.45 kilograms. Product number 2, Patuo Pro Electric Reciprocating Saw. Specifications. Brand name, Patuo Pro. Customized, yes. Power source, battery. Application, wood saw. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Saw type, reciprocating saw. Power source, battery. Use, home DIY. Motor, brushless. No load strokes, 0 to 3000 R/min. Product number 1, Niwon Reciprocating Saw. Specifications. Brand name, Niwon. Model number, 7703. Usage, commercial manufacture. Customized, yes. Max. Cutting depth, 300 mm. Power source, AC. Application, multi. Saw type, reciprocating saw. Weight, 2.5 kilograms. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.